start with the first round with 2 chain counting as 1 double crochet and make double crochet the same hole. This counting 1 double crochet increase. Next, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet. This is one pattern. Start pattern. Start the pattern double crochet increase. One double crochet, 2 double crochet, and start with double crochet increase again. Continue around. I finished the first round. Now I have 48 stitches. The last slip stitch. Start the 5th round with 1 chain and skip 1 stitch here and make double crochet. Five double crochet, 1, make in the same hole, 2, 3, 4, 5, and skip 1 stitch, 1 stitch here, slip stitch and skip 1 stitch and start to make double crochet. The same stitch 5 times. Two, 3, 4, 5, skip 1 stitch here, slip stitch and I make 100 chain after I put inside. Take up to 1 down, take up to 1 down, take up 2. And put around. Now I finish beautiful cluster crochet.